What is up, y'all? So this video is kind of to follow up on some of the comments I've been receiving on the cheap monitor review, the 24-inch ONN. I've been getting some pretty crazy comments, so I just want to touch some light on that and hopefully answer some questions that y'all been asking. The majority of the comments I'm getting is really just two of them, is about the speakers, the monitor's not playing audio. Well, in the video I did say you're going to need speakers. I haven't really looked that much into that problem in solving it, but I will for y'all, because I did not know that so many people would be looking at getting this monitor or letting it play audio. Because personally, I play it on my Xbox One X, so all the audio that I'm getting from this monitor is going straight to my headset because I'm using Turtle Beaches and it only plays the audio from the Xbox itself. But if you're not using it strictly for gaming and you're using it as a screen, kind of like mimicking a TV, you are going to have some type of speakers to project the audio. So I'll look into that for y'all, try to figure that out. So after doing a little bit of research, I came up with a solution. So you're going to need two things. You're going to need an optical audio cable as well as an audio converter. They can both be found on Amazon for a pretty reasonable price. You should see them on the screen, and I'll also link them in the description below. So whenever it comes to hooking up a PlayStation or an Xbox, I'm talking strictly gaming consoles, there is a little port on the back and it should be like S/PDIF. I may be a little wrong, I'll go back and double check on that. But that is where the optical audio cable goes. And then once you're at that point, you just simply plug in that audio converter I was talking about, and that is where you can finally plug in any type of external speaker of choice. So that is a method that I've come up with to get audio while you're using this monitor whenever you're playing with an Xbox or a PlayStation. Whenever you're using this monitor screen with the computer, it gets a whole lot easier because all you do is hook up your external speakers to the back of the modem. If you're using a soundbar to get audio from your Xbox or your PlayStation, all you do is run that optical cord I was talking about earlier from the back of your console to the soundbar. But yeah, that's basically it. I hope this video is helpful to somebody out there, and I hope y'all enjoyed it. I'm out.